Welcome back. Now it's time for Forum Daily's weekly cryptocurrency and digital asset update. We're joined by Catherine Murray, host of The Buck Stops Here. Take it away, Catherine.
Thanks, Nima. Hello, everyone, and welcome to your weekly crypto and digital asset update. I am Catherine Murray. Well, we are seeing cryptocurrencies trend a little bit lower this morning. However, we have seen some significant moves higher in cryptocurrencies, putting the current market value at $2 trillion. Bitcoin, for one, is up by about 1% week over week, hitting that $44,500 mark. Now, one of the key drivers to the upside has been cited as a move by a blockchain company, in particular, a Forbes top 30 under 30 blockchain founder, reportedly plans to purchase billions of dollars of Bitcoin to act as a reserve for its stable coin. Interestingly, this individual also tweeted out following this, warning the Bitcoin bears that their days are numbered. If you want to follow him on Twitter, it is under Do Kwon. Interestingly, following this tweet, we did see Bitcoin move higher, as I mentioned, with that 45,000 handle on it, actually up to about 48,000. And apparently this is in part due to some of the short squeezing that occurred after he announced that he was going to be out there purchasing billions of dollars of Bitcoin. We actually have reports that it was about a $300 million short squeeze. We also saw volumes corroborate this, where the volumes were up by about 16% versus the 30-day average. So interesting to see that this is perhaps one of the drivers to the upside of the move today. Of course, when you have some announced buyers in the market, you often see the sellers move to the sidelines. Away from that, important to note that we did see one of the biggest heists in cryptocurrency this week. Hackers stole about $600 million from a blockchain network that was connected to the people's online game Axie Infinity. This has been, as I mentioned, one of the biggest attacks, and it certainly does underscore the security concerns that we have with some of the technology associated with decentralized finance. According to Chainalysis, approximately $2.3 billion have been stolen from DeFi platforms in 2021. That is up by over 1,000% year over year. Now, shifting focus here a little bit, we have further signs of expansion into various crypto blockchain platforms. TP ICAP, which is the world's largest intradealer broker, they facilitate trades between hedge funds, investment banks, and financial institutions. They've added 2 more companies to their custody network. Also, geographically, we, of course, note so many various countries around the world expanding their crypto offering. Israel's bank Leumi announced plans to launch crypto trading for their clients. The bank says that it will allow and enable clients to be able to buy, hold, and sell cryptocurrencies, starting with Ethereum as well as Bitcoin. Apparently, it's one of the first banks to actually do this and offer this. There's only a few other around the world, in particular, DBS Bank in Singapore and a few banks in Switzerland. We also, of course, continue to see fundraising occur within this space. Interestingly here, a Vancouver-based company called Layer Zero Labs, which is the firm behind blockchain bridging protocol Stargate. They raised $135 million, and that values their company at $1 billion. Importantly, the raise was led by FTX as well as Andreessen Horowitz, so very well-known names in the crypto space and overall investment space, I should say. Also, crypto investment services provider Blockchain.com said that in their latest round of funding that they closed values their company at $14 billion. Lastly, kind of interesting here, there's always been a big debate since we saw the onset of cryptocurrencies, which is a better hedge, gold or digital currencies? Well, it's interesting here, and of course that hedge would be against inflation as well as various central bankers devaluing our currencies, fiat currencies that is. Well, related to that, currencies, blockchain, the gold industry apparently is turning to blockchain to keep illicit gold bars off the market. This week, the London Bullion Market and the World Gold Council are developing a digital system to be able to track gold through the supply chain. They said this in a joint statement this week. So basically, they're going to be using blockchain to track gold, maybe your gold, from mine to vault. Nima, I'll leave it there. Back to you.
Blockchain and gold, that's an interesting development. Thanks for that, Catherine. That was Catherine Murray, host of the Buck Stops Here. Remember, for more analysis and news on the markets, be sure to follow her there.